I know, another bill hunting video, and I know it's not one of the most popular types of videos on my channel, but we've had some pretty good luck this year, and since I had to pull out money to buy half dollars and other denominations that I hunt for the other videos, I figured I might as well go ahead and pull out the cash in ones and hunt them. I'm also aware that many of you want to see other denominations be hunted besides just ones, and so I do have plans to find some twos and some fives in future videos. All right, I've talked long enough. Let's get this $1,001 bill hunt started. Hey everyone, it's Rob Finds Treasure. Welcome back to the channel. Like I said in the intro, another 1,000 bills to go through today, looking for those collectible US paper notes that I have listed here on my mat. And for those of you that are new to bill collecting or new to my channel, I always have a ton of resources and clickable links in the video description down below. Feel free to review those at your leisure. Of course, if you love my collectible US paper notes mat, I'll also put a quick link to that right here. You can check those out as well. All right, I think that pretty much covers everything. You guys know what we're looking for. We're looking for star notes, hoping for some rare ones. We're looking for bar notes, web notes, any printing errors, any fancy seal numbers, you name it. And of course, because there's 10 straps of 100 bills in each, I figured I'd hunt them off camera, and at the end of each strap, I'll give you guys strap recaps of my finds as well as any close calls. Man, that's a long intro. Let's get this hunt started with strap number 1. Wish me luck. I'll be back in just a moment. All right, strap number 1 has been hunted. No star notes and no real keeper notes, just some close calls I'll show you guys about. Almost a repeater, 9139, 8139. Man, needed that 8 to be a 9. Another bill that was a trinary. I've been keeping some trinaries lately. It's somewhat fancy, but man, it's pretty beat up and with a heavy crease. 0080 and then all ones, 4 ones. I wish it was 0000 and then all ones, but it's not. Just a close call. Had it been crisp uncirculated, I probably would keep a trinary bill like this. Trinary just means that the serial number is made up of 3 different numbers only. In this case, 0s, 1s, and 8s. And then the final bill actually qualifies somewhat as a birthday note. Probably not the best position, but 2007, 0305. And you could actually say it's either the 3rd of May or the 5th of March in 2007. It's a shame it's got some ink on it, but because it's kind of a birthday note, and maybe someone out there who's 17 years old is watching my channel, could be their birthday, I'll set it to the side just in case. So one keeper through the first strap, off to a slow start. Come on, strap number 2. Let's see if we can pick up the finds. Strap number 2 has been hunted, and it gave us our first star note, a pretty nice, decent looking one from 2017 Series A, although I've found a lot of these F-Series ones from 2017A, and I believe it needs to be above 16 million to be rare. This one's only 15,287,000, although the last digit is a little bit raised like an old odometer note, so it's a star note with a little bit of an odometer look to it. We'll definitely keep it. Either way, it's our first star note of the hunt. And by the way, I always plug in the star notes into the star note lookup site that I have listed down below at the end of the video to see if we have any rare ones. The other bill is another trinary. I've been finding a lot of these lately, and it's decent enough. I think I'll keep it. 632. 66623. So lots of 6s. There's a 2 and 3 in there as well, a couple of them. And so I'll hold on to it for now. It's heavily creased, but I'll put it with my stack of growing kind of keeper trinary notes that I'm starting to amass. 2 straps down. Finally got a star note. Come on, strap number 3. Give us some more. Strap number 3. A complete skunker. No finds, no close calls, no good goodies at all. Come on, strap number 4. Let's get back on some finds. Strap number 3 was not a fantastic strap, but it did give us our second star note finally. Second star note through 4 straps, definitely behind pace there. We also had a almost mixed ladder. Man, it's almost keepable, but it's not quite. 1, 2, 3. There's no 4, but then there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Man. Unbelievable. Really close. Not going to keep it though. It's not a mixed ladder or a broken ladder. It's completely messed up. And then I wanted to point it out, not keeping it either. It's a slight miscut. You can see it has a heavier edge on the left, a smaller one on the right. Just as a quick reminder, Miscuts should have almost no white border or no white border showing at all on any one of the 4 edges. And this one has still quite a bit left. So a slight miscut, but definitely not one worth keeping. 4 straps down, 2 star notes. That's it. Almost halfway done with the hunt. We need strap 5 to be a good one. Strap number 5 has been hunted. It did give us our 3rd star note now through 3 straps. Still behind pace, but at least we have 3 on the board. And yes, I am aware that's kind of a cool trinary. I actually thought about keeping that one from strap 1 with it, with the 8s, 1s, and 0s, but I don't know, probably not. I'll just put this one to replace the star note we just took out. And then I won't give you guys the answer here, but put it in the comments down below how close of a bill this was to what you think it was. Put the timestamp and what you think this bill was as far as how close it was to being a great note. Man, so close, yet so far. All right, we'll send that one back. We're halfway through the hunt. Really light so far. This is the same bank as that Josh teller, and he might be grabbing the good notes or they're on a cold streak. We'll have to see. Still got 5 straps left. Wish me luck. Let's see what strap 6 brings us. Strap number 6 was another bust. No finds in that strap, not even almosters. Come on, strap 7. We're struggling. Strap number 7 ended up being one of our better straps. We got a couple of star notes, so now we have 5 star notes through 7 straps. That's what we had last time from this bank. Hopefully we got a few more in those last 3. Couple of bills to talk about. Man, another close call to being of nice note here. 6576, 7565. It is a trinary, and it does have some fanciness to it. It would have been better if it was 65, 76, 76, 65. But still kind of a cool note. I am not going to hold on to it, though, because even though it's a trinary, it's just pretty jumbled up to me and not one I would keep. If it was something you guys would keep, let me know in the comments below. And by the way, I've been keeping more trinaries than normal, so that's why I ask. And then another close call. You can't really tell from a first glance, but man, this is almost a radar. 0955 5598. Needed the 8 to be a 0 or vice versa. Still a close call. Wanted to point it out. All right, 2 keepers in that strap. Come on, strap 8. Let's get a couple more keepers. Strap number 8 has been hunted, and it was the new best strap of the hunt. 4 star notes in that strap, 2 from 2017A and 2 from 2013. Can't get mad at that. That now gives us a total of 9 star notes through 8 straps, so now we're 1 ahead, and we do want 10 if we can get there. On top of that, I put it on top because I'm not keeping it, but it's another pretty nice trinary overall. I wish the 0s were together at the back or the front to make it more fancy, but wanted to show you guys. Or if those 3s had been 2s, I probably would have kept it as well. Either way, I'm going to send it back this time. Try not to keep as many trinaries as I've been keeping, like I said in the last strap. All right, 4 keepers, 4 star notes, 9 now. Speaking of 9, let's move on to strap number 9 and see if we have 3 straps in a row with good finds. Well, strap number 9, as if the toy with us, gave us no star notes, so now we still need to find 1 more to hit my average of 1 per strap. That being said, it gave us a couple of cool notes here. First and foremost, we got a birthday note. October 11th, 1996, or I guess you can call it the 10th of November, 1996, but either way, that looks like a good enough birthday note to me. I'm going to add it to the birthday note section. We've already got 2 of those now. And then this is another trinary, but look at the numbers on here. 182, 88, 182. It's not a repeater. It's not a radar. It's just a bookender with 182 and 182 with 88s in the middle. I don't know. I feel like this is kind of a collectible trinary. It's got a heavy crease, but man, I've been turning them down this whole hunt. Maybe I'll keep this one like we kept that one. What do you guys think? I think I'm going to go ahead and do it. All right, 2 keeper notes in there. Like I said, no star notes. We're down to the last strap. Be nice to get another find or 2 before we finish. I'll be back with the finds, if there are any, in strap 10 of the hunt. The good news is strap number 10 delivered us our 10th star note. So now we have 10 star notes to plug into the star note lookup site, which I'll do at the end of the hunt here in just a moment to see if we have any rare ones. Happy to get 10 star notes after a slow start. We also have another trinary. I know a broken record on trinaries today, but this one's kind of fancy because it's a flipper. 1996, 6161. And if I flip it upside down, technically you can read it again 1919, 96, 61. The ones are not the best for flippers. Technically 0, 9, and 6 are the best flippers, but we're going to go ahead and say it's close call. And because it's a trinary and it's in pretty decent shape, I think I'll hold on to it a little bit longer. Said I wasn't going to hold on to many trinaries, and yet here we are again, holding on to 3. 2 keepers from that strap. I'll go ahead and get 2 bills added in to make it back to $1,000 to redeposit into the bank. And now it's time to plug in the star notes. I know we have at least one semi-rare one. This one right here, because it's over 16 million, it's a 2017 A and F. I know it's going to be somewhat rare, but a big print run if I recall. Either way, let me plug those in. I'll be back in just a moment, let you know if we have any rare ones and any worth more than 2 or 3 times face. All right, we have finished plugging all of the star notes from today's hunt into the star note lookup site. As expected, the only rare one is this one right here, F with a 16 million number. I'll go ahead and show it to you on the screen. And bottom line is there's 250,000 in its run size, which is nice. That puts it a little bit more up the rarity scale, almost 2/3 of the way up, but 10.99 million total printed, which puts it flat at the bottom. So, you know, in great shape, this might fetch $5. In this shape, it's pretty common. The other one that was close was this one, part of a 1.28 million print run, but 3.7 million total printed, so not that rare on the other side as well. So slightly elevated on the run size like that one, but a lot of them printed, so really not much more value there. Star notes like these, $2 to $3 each. Maybe this one gets $4 because it's in pretty nice shape, and maybe this one gets $3 to $4 because it's a more rare one, but outside of that, they're all fairly common. Either way, we got 10 star notes in this 10 strap hunt. I'll take it. We got 2 birthday notes. One has ink, but we'll still take what we can get. And 3 kind of keeper trinaries. Again, the jury's out on these. I know they sell on eBay. You can look them up. They always sell for more than face value. But is it really worth making $1 or $2 on each of these bills and having to ship them out? Either way, not a bad hunt overall. 15 total keeper notes out of the 1,000 bills. And for those wondering, I always buy an extra 20 to 30 ones on the side, and I fill them in as I hunt. That way, the straps stay intact. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this bill hunt. I know I've been doing more lately, but like I said, if I'm going to be buying coin boxes anyway, might as well grab some bills and see if I can get some lucky finds. If you did, I certainly would appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting, and thanks for watching.